Today we are going to design an experiment, and the question is, how does the water affect the turnip plant? First we're going to alter the water from low to high. Then we're going to add the turnip. Now we are going to insert what we know into paper. The type of seed is a turnip. The water a day varies from 20, 50, 70, and 100. The number of lights stay the same, number 3, and the type of soil is the same exact soil. Now let's play it to see our ending results. That is our ending results list pasted on paper. The height for plant A is 19.5, the mass is 2.7, and the appearance is that it has no color. Plant B has a height of 20.3, a mass of 4.3, and it looks the same. Plant C has a height of 20, a mass of 3.3, and it looks the same. Plant D has the height of 15.6, a mass of 1.8, and it has no color. I discovered that when you give it an average amount of water, the plant is healthy. But if you give it a small amount of water or a large amount of water, the plant is not healthy.